So we are coming to the next topic on legal research. As far as legal research is concerned, it's an area which is required by everybody, whether he is a student, whether he is a judge, whether he is an academic professor, and everyone is engaged in the legal research to enrich the branch of law. Any topic in the law, you have to approach with a research angle. That is required even for academicians, for the judges, for the researchers, as well as for the students. So what is legal research? That has been a big question. This has been done unknowingly also by some people who are resorting to make academic activity. Research is a detailed study, an inquiry into the concept of the topic. Whatever may be the topic you are taking, going into the depth of it. Actually, the legal research has got a methodology for the purpose of research activity. The methodology basically depends on the fixing of the hypothesis, which is based on some assumptions of the researcher. The researcher, every person who is engaged in legal research will have some idea or some concepts. Whatever may be the area, maybe in favor or maybe against, or some concepts he might have in the mind. So the basic method is to put his own hypothesis before embarking on the study of research. And the researcher will first jot down the points of his hypothesis as 1, 2, 3 like that. And then he will go with the objective of studying that. Every research should be objective oriented. There should be a clear objective for research. In case of judge, it may be for the giving of a good judgment. And in the case of a student, it may be giving a good answer. And in the case of academicians, it may be to enrich his knowledge of field in that particular area. So what he will do is, in case of establishing the objectives will be in tandem with his purpose for which he is doing the research. And the legal research is done usually based on the accepted principles of research. It is little different from the normal social science research because it usually does not adopt the mathematical tools and techniques using of the standard deviation, collecting of the statistical data, composition of the chart, diagram, etc. Because most of the case laws in the law subject relates to the Supreme Court decisions and High Court decisions and overruling of such decisions ahead. So largely the doctrinal research is being adopted. The types of research may include doctrinal research or primary research. Primary is research from the original point of situation by which data is collected from the public or from source. Then it is analyzed. Then it is concluded as to what extent it complies with the hypothesis, whether hypothesis is fully accepted or partially accepted and partially rejected. That is the concept one has to see while doing the research activity. But in regard to the doctrinal researches, we set principles only, and based on the principle, largely literature study is devoted. Literature study includes the study of various established available resources, maybe a data, a book, a source of mining, or maybe even in the case of computer, Googling, or some kind of original data that is made available to you through some survey or some matter of resources. The primary data is the data collection from the market directly without resorting to the already available secondary data. So in most of the cases in legal research, there is adoption of the secondary data from available in international and national standards institutions and established cases from a particular period of time to a particular period of time, then making analysis and comparing and concluding to the situation and object of the study. So legal research is a very challenging job, and it has to comply with a lot of references, maybe either from the primary data or secondary data. In some cases, there is a method evolved which includes adoption of all these methods, means taking primary data as well as secondary data, then analyzing, seeing the practical situation and adoption of the tools which are something new in the statistical methods, or adopting certain theories and testing and proving whether these theories will comply with the norms that is established during the research. So it's a very wide area of study, and legal research makes the work very challenging. When a topic has to be studied in tandem, without going into the research, the depth of the subject will be little low. But when you are adopting the technique of research, you will be looking into every aspect of that particular issue. And that means that you will be going to the depth of it, to the wider part of it. You will be coming to the statistical part of it. You will coming to the literature part of it, the historical part of it, definition part of it, and latest and modern trends that is happening in that particular legal area. So that is why this research becomes a very important area. At present, there are multimedia and other computer facilities that is available, where you can take data mining from the available data resources, including international resources are made available online. So that will be very helpful for us or a researcher to find and get into the particular area where you require data and where you can have the activity done for the purpose of a proper research. So legal research is a continuous process that is happening, and it is a very interesting area. If the researcher takes to his mind the way of doing the research properly, he will be able to enjoy and bring newer and newer things and challenging results out of this research. Therefore, I am of the opinion that legal research is a very developing and evolving field. But we have to stick to certain norms, like the methodology used, whether it is European style or US style, or you are developing your own style of citations. And you can also, as a process of legal research, you can develop your own method and findings, and new techniques can be adopted, by which you will be totally entering into a new area of freedom, where you can explore various possibilities based on the hypothesis you have laid down in your study. So thus, legal research is a very interesting area where one ought to do a lot in the field, and let us hope that legal research will take the subject to a greater height in days to come. Thank you.